What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, just showing you Tesla made $213, Apple made almost $600, so we had a total of $811 today. It's August 4th. I haven't traded in about a week, so this month is all of our gains, 811, and that's where we're at right now, just to end the week. So only one trading day today, up $811. Year to date, we're up $23,200. As you can see, Tesla's my biggest winner here at $25,000 on the year. But with those big losses that I sustained with SQQQ at 6,800, that has brought down my overall to 23,000 for the year. Apple, I'm starting to pay attention to, and I'll break that down at the end of the video if you stick to it. And also, I'm going to show a live trade I had of Apple, which I think is a good learning experience because it was a double bottom. So let me just go through that, and then I'll show you the live trade. All right, so I had multiple trades today, but two of them were notable. The first one I took was, I didn't have this one recorded, unfortunately, was at 182.1. I bought right here. Why did I buy here? RSI, which is right here, and for newer traders, less than 30 can be a buy point. Greater than 70 could be overbought. So I was buying at the whole dollar of 182, so you can zoom in and see it. I actually caught the bottom, 182.1. and I sold at 182.52. So that was $400 right there off like 900 shares. But when I bought, the RSI was at 22. So 22 on the 1 minute, and then just going to the 5 minute. Let me just zoom out so we can see this really quick. And on the 5 minute, here it is. On the 5 minute right here, it was at 22 as well. So whenever I buy RSI, which I don't always, but if I do use that as an indicator, I like to have my RSI on the 5 minute and the 1 minute under 25 for an entry. And that was an excellent entry because you could see this wick right here of where sellers ran out and the buyers took over. And then moving forward to the next trade, which is the live trade you will see, I traded right here at 182 again and then sold back up. And I'll show you the trade. I think I made like, 180 on it. But we'll break down the trade. We'll talk about it live as it's on. I think that's more important and more valuable for you to see. But let's get down, let's break it down. And after the live trade, I'll just show my channel quick. And then I'm going to start breaking down Apple and where I see it's going potentially. All right, guys, so on the chart, on the bottom, you can see my purchase price is 182.29. I'm down $50 on this trade right now. My stop loss is 182.1, which is giving me 19 cents. My goal is to sell it 20 cents up, trying to get it at 182.5. So I'm doing a 1-to-1 R, 20 cents each way. And as you can see, I'm up 177 right there, and I took the gains. So a quick trade on that, double bottom with a quick stop at 182.1. Now what I want you to see is, why did I sell there? Look at the orange line. If you can see the orange line right next to that green bar, that's the 20 EMA. So Apple broke the red bar, which is the 9 EMA. And now as it's approaching the 20 EMA, which is the orange bar for me, I'm going to take profits right here. As you can see where I'm up like $177. I took profits right there because I was thinking that it was going to reject right there. And that's why I sold immediately once I had it there. I want you just to get a better understanding of why I'm selling. I was buying the double bottom, 182, have that stop, 182.1, and then watching it to see if I can get a retest of that 20 EMA on the orange line. All right, so now quickly, I just want to break down Apple, where I think could potentially go. Let's not forget that it was just $200 a share, pretty close, like less than 1 month ago. So this is an awesome buying opportunity. Apple right now has sold off 8%. My goal is to get it around 175 to start a swing trade. That would be a total of 11% down from the highs of 200. And I'm going to show you why I think that. Just looking at the 3-month chart, you can draw a horizontal line right at the 174 area. And you can see that Apple was resisting here. And then when it broke, retested, failed at 170. Then a rate rose up to 185, rose back up to 176. We're potentially going to retest this 170. When you just look at the 5-day, Apple has sold off so much within 5 days. 198 down to 181.9 as we speak in the after hours. And what's actually sick about it is if you were just to trade just by RSI, Apple is 15 on the 1 month RSI right now. That's a really big move for a company that's, worth as much as it is and is basically the mainstay of every index fund. So this is definitely a fund that I'm looking at. I love the 170 to the 175 range. I'm hoping we can get that. That's where I want to start beginning my swing trade, where I'm just going to dollar cost average into Apple, because Apple over the long term is just always an excellent play. It just makes everybody money. But this is what we're looking at. Will this just continue to keep selling off and hit this area right here, where we can start to finally see maybe 171 to 175, start seeing a balance in there. All right, guys, thanks for sticking to the end of this channel. I'm up to 449 subs, and I just wanted to say that I'm starting a playlist that is going to be options based only. It is going to be on one of the playlists. I'll just label it options trading, and it's going to fully just go through options, what they are, calls, puts, vertical spreads, all that. So let me know in the comment section below if that's what you want to learn, but I'm going to keep posting it because as I'm learning trading, options is definitely the way to go when it comes to being able to cover yourself and protective puts, etc. So anyways, check out the video, subscribe to the channel, and just follow the P&L.